Hi, I'm Clara. I work in product marketing on the Gemini app at Google. Now, when I'm having high stakes conversations like sales pitches, presentations, or difficult one on ones, it's crucial that I'm able to perform my best, really deliver the points that I need to make, and be persuasive. In this video, we're going to use Gemini Live to simulate a challenging conversation and get feedback on how we did. Now, to access Gemini Live, you'll need to download the Gemini mobile app on your phone. When we use Gemini Live, we're not prompting, we're having a natural, free flowing conversation. Let's say I wanted to practice a sales pitch with a potential customer. I'll show you what that looks like. To start, click into Live. Hey Gemini, I need to make an important sales call. Let's role play.
That's a great idea. What kind of product are you selling?
So, I'm a salesperson for a logistics company called Cardboard Caravan. My goal is to book a meeting with the logistics manager at Terry's Trousers, who recently submitted an inquiry on our website. I call and you answer the phone.
Got it. I'm ready to play the logistics manager at Terry's Trousers. Let's do this. Thank you for calling Terry's Trousers. How may I direct your call?
Hi, this is Clara from Cardboard Caravan. I'm calling to follow up on an inquiry you submitted on our website. Could you tell me a little bit about what you're hoping to achieve with a new logistics partner?
Absolutely, Clara. We're looking for a logistics partner who can help us streamline our shipping process and reduce costs. We've been experiencing some delays and inefficiencies lately, and we need a reliable solution to ensure our trousers get to our customers on time.
I totally understand. We've helped other companies in your position. Would you be open to a brief follow up meeting to talk about how we could help you specifically?
I'm sure that could be arranged. What times are you available for a meeting?
How about next week? I can follow up via email and send you a case study.
Sure, next week works. Please send the case study.
Now that we've finished our live conversation, we can ask Gemini for feedback. We'll ask Gemini to provide feedback on my approach, include strengths, weaknesses, and suggestions for improvement. Huh. Wow. There's some great feedback in here that I can definitely use to practice. I also use this feature to talk through ideas and then turn those into actionable project proposals. Say I have an out of the box concept for a new product launch. I'll ask Gemini Live to help me flesh out the concept and then synthesize our conversation into an action plan that I can share with my leadership and with clearly outlined next steps. It's a great way to go from idea to execution. So, the next time you want another perspective or help with ideation, try going live with Gemini.